Hey, let's take a quick trip to Dollar Tree to see what they have in for spring. All right. So they have the solar lights. They keep coming out with new type solar lights. They have these here with the butterflies. They come in other colors too, but they didn't have them at this Dollar Tree when I went. They have the other ones that they always have. They have these stair ones right here, and then they have those in two different shapes. You can line these up on your banisters. You can line these up on your stairs. They have just a ton of the solar lights, which I like that they keep them kind of all year round. Then of course the spring plates. So this print right here I think is so pretty. They have other prints too, but you can even do a cute little DIY like a stand with this, and you can make you like a little cake stand and a tray or something like that. They have the pot holders. The pot holders, they come in a set of two, so you'll be able to get those and all different type prints too. They have these blue bowls that I like because they go good with the spring prints there. And then of course the glassware that goes with it. So you can get just a whole little set. They have the mugs too. But you can get a whole little set. And like I said, they have other prints. You can see the other pretty one they have down there. And the mint goes really nice with that. So you can mix and match these. They have that new charger plate there that I like. The spring florals are out. So this is all they had when I went to this Dollar Tree, but they do have the hanging ones I have seen recently in all the colors, but they do go fast. So if you see something that you like, you might want to grab it. A ton of gardening stuff. They always have the gardening section, all year round, but they are loaded up with everything you need. So all of the tools you need, they have gloves. They just have everything you need for indoor outdoor gardening. They have these little things that you hang on the side of the planters. Just so many different things that you can pick from. I thought these were cute because these are little solar lights too. So their eyes are a little, you can see it says solar decor there. So the eyes will light up at night, and they came in different animals. And then you can get regular ones too. But I just thought those were cute, the little gnomes. This mesh right here, I'm not sure that it's a gardening thing, but it's so cute. It gives you that spring, kind of vibe. More tools, and I like how the tools have the different colors, so you can, have your little gardening stuff cute. Keep those in your apron, or I don't know, wherever you keep your gardening tools, but they'll all be color coordinated. Little fences, the reefs, just so many things right now for that garden life, just decor pieces, so many cute things. So if you are looking for that, they are fully stocked right now, at least at my Dollar Tree. They're even putting out some patriotic type things. So they have those, they have the regular spring ones, they have Easter decor out now. Just a ton of stuff. Little gates that they always have. They only had one left at mine. Seeds, just like I said, everything you need for outdoor. And I love these little pieces that they have now too, so you can like customize them, those little pieces. So those are cute. These are another type of solar light. So these are little flowers, and they came in different colors. So just a ton of solar lights. The different crafting items, I know it's not like spring, but they are here for the spring. So for some reason they were in the toy section. So a lot of times when you go to Dollar Tree, you might have to look around, because I think sometimes they run out of space and they just put things where there is space. So they had these like nautical ones here. The wood slices, I like those. So if you are in the crafting, Dollar Tree has a lot of base items that'll help you be able to create some really nice stuff. And then they're coming out with pieces too that are just completely done, and it looks like some of their pieces, they just put them together and made it really nice. These planters that everybody loves, and these come in a mini form now too, so you can get them in this size, and they stack, and they go into each other when you're not using them. And then of course other planters, but you can get those in the mini size now too. These little bags I think are cute. They have the little straw hats that go with those, so if you're looking for, your kids for Easter. And just another thing, like I said, out of place, so you just have to look around, because these were in the crafting section. These little signs I think are cute. These frames I think are nice because they're nice and deep, so you can do something cute with those. Beads, these were like a ceramic, so I'm thinking you do like a little sublimation on those, or you can, use your Cricut or something. But I thought those were nice, so that was the first time I saw those. Little wood crafts, the moss, just so many things so you can get ready for spring. The canvases, they have a lot of printed canvases now. The wallpaper like squares, tons of stickers. Just so many things to just get your home ready for spring or just do some spring type crafts. I love these little 3D like stickers, like pieces that they have. The nautical rope. This one I thought was super cool because it's like the jute rope, but didn't look at it. It is wired, so you can shape this and make, whatever kind of shape you want. I thought that was interesting. Um, like I said, a ton of crafting items that you can use around your home. And then these are my new favorite beads. So you can take these off of the ring and use them, individually. This, love that. I've got me one that was the first time since they've been out. I was able to find them recently. And then a ton of fabrics so you can get these and make cute little crafts. You can see they came in so many different patterns. They have the regular felt too, glassware, just a ton of different things right now. So if you're getting ready for spring, you might want to head over to Dollar Tree and grab some.